Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw Nita from Brawl Stars. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're going to start out with our eyes, and this is going to be actually really simple. There's not much detail. We'll just draw two slants like this first, and then from those corners just draw in like a half circle. So it's a little bit slanted. Okay, and then from there we're going to draw her nose just right in the middle. Let's draw a little curve. And then for her mouth, it's really simple. We'll just draw one line, a little bit slanted as well. And then we'll draw in another curve on the bottom, and this one is going to be a little bit more shallow. Okay, and then for the teeth, let's see in the middle here. Just come down, and then there's gonna be one longer. It's got one longer tooth right there. I know it's kind of hard to see with a Sharpie. And then I'm gonna draw one more line around, and then I'm gonna add just one more tooth. Alright, so that's her facial feature, and let's draw in the rest of the face. So on the side right here, just draw two slants going out, right next to the eye, right around here. And then we'll just curve this all the way around. Finish up her chin. Okay, and then on the top here, just draw one curve. This is gonna be, I guess, it's the bear, the nose area. And then for that, we're gonna come up just from this 2-point here. Just draw another oval on top. Okay, so that's gonna be the snout for the bear. And then for the nose, we'll just draw two curves coming to the middle here. And then right in the middle, we'll come straight down. And then there's some teeth here from the bear. So I'm just gonna draw a curve coming down. I'm not gonna go over the eye, but if you wanna come down over the eye, that's okay too. Alright, so now let's draw in the finish up the bear. So this one's a little bit tricky because it needs to go all the way around. So better way to do this is to draw in one big curve on top first. And then from this point, I'm gonna curve all the way down and just kind of tuck it back in right there. So we just close everything off, a nice curve. Okay, and then for the ears, just come straight up from here. Just draw one curve. Same thing here, straight up. And then for some details, this one's easy, just inside, just draw another curve. And then to finish off the eyes here, those two tapes, you can draw in just a rectangle slanted like this first. And then we'll draw in another one, just kind of right across. And I'm overlapping because I'm going to be shading it black anyways. So if you're going to shade it, then you don't have to erase it. Or if you're not going to shade it, then you will have to erase out those lines. Okay, so the other one, slanting down this way. And right across another bar, and let me shade this in as well. Alright, so that's the head, and let's move on to the body. So there's gonna be a bear claw coming down here. So right underneath the mouth, just gonna draw one curve coming down like this first on each side. And now go back up here. Just curve it down. And then close it off. And just a little bit detail here. Just gonna draw two little loops like this, curve for the claw. Okay, so now we're ready. Go down to the body here. So for the waist, just slant in from the claw. I'm going to close it off. And let's just add one section for some detail. And then we're going to go ahead and draw in the little cloth down here. So we're going to slant out. And then you come to the middle, you come down here, make a point. And we'll just connect those. And then for some detail, we're just going to draw another line, just follow that, these little slants. Okay, and then for arm is really easy. So we're going to come out here. Here's the, I guess the armpit would be in here. We're going to curve. For thumb, we're just going to turn it like this, little hook. For the back of the hand here, I'm just going to curve all the way in, right behind the thumb. Okay, so same thing here. I'm going to start right here, come up. And same thing here for a thumb, curve. Then here's the back, just curve it, tuck it right behind the thumb. And then her legs are going to be really simple as well. We're going to continue this curve here. Just kind of go down, come in here, same curve, and then just close it off flat. And then we'll draw in like a dome shape, corner to corner. It's going to be a foot. And then one line for some detail there. So same thing here. Curve down, just use the other side for reference. Come back here. Close it and then dome shape, corner to corner, and the same detail. And that is it for this Nita. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.